Hey everyone, my name is Sarah Rothenberg and this is your 30-day yoga challenge. So grab a water bottle and meet me on the mat. All right everyone, welcome back. Week 1, day 2. This week it's all about breath. Breath helps us control our body and it helps us stay relaxed and focused. And today we are going to talk about candle breath. I have my candle here. It's lit for us. Imagine that candle and that flickering flame. Take your hands and make a candle. Make a candle. It's a pretend candle, not a real candle. Hold it in front of your mouth. And just like we learned yesterday, when we take our deep breath in and we breathe through our nose and we let all the air out through our mouth, we are going to use our breath to blow our candle out. So take a deep breath in. It's like you're blowing out a candle on a birthday cake. Maybe this time you want to make a wish. See how slowly you can blow the air out of your mouth and into your candle. Take a deep breath in. One more time, deep breath in. And let all the air out, blow that candle out. Maybe our candle is really far away and you need to even gulp up more air to send the air to blow the candle out. So let's try and hold our candle further away from us and really take a deep breath in so that all the air can reach that flickering flame. Take a deep breath in and blow it out. See if you can reach the flame. What if your candle's really close to you? Maybe you just need a little bit of air to blow the candle out. Let's try controlling our breath in that way, because when we can control our breath, we can control our body and our mind. So let's practice that together. Deep breath in. Let's do one more candle breath of your choice. It can be in the middle. Maybe you want it to be far away from you. Maybe you want it to be close to you. Wherever feels right to you is the right place to be. So I'm going to do mine just about in the middle. Take a deep breath in and blow it out. Let all the air out of your body. Great work today. I am so proud of you guys. You finished your second lesson of our 30-day challenge and you have that gold star. So make sure to tune in tomorrow for another lesson and stay tuned. In the challenge, we have some fun surprises, some guest stars, and games at the end of the challenge. See you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.